Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Altono Frando and PM 2442004. Here I will present material about consolidation with non-controlling interest. Practical guidance for accounting professional on consolidating subsidiary is when ownership is less than 100%. Focus, control assessment, measurement of non-controlling interest, consolidation entries, presentation, and disclose. When to consolidate control versus ownership. Control is key. Consolidate when the parent has power to direct relevant activities, exposure to variable return, and ability to use power to affect return. Assess qualitative factor. Board composition, contractual right, decision-making process, and veto right often determine control despite monitoring stack. Variable return consider economic exposure, profit, losses, dividend, and how the parent participate in upside and or downside. Initial consolidation measure at acquisition. At acquisition date, measure identifiable as asset, liabilities, and any goodwill. For portion not owned by the parent, measure non-controlling interest either at fair value method. NCI measure at fair value include goodwill attributable to NCI, common in practice for business combination. Elimination entries, K consolidation adjustment. Core elimination and entries at consolidation. Example described conceptually. First, investment elimination. 2. Intra-entity balance and transaction and allocation to NCI. Post-acquisition change in ownership. Transfer of additional interest without loss of control or equity transaction. Adjust NCI and parent equity for consideration paid or received. If control is lost, asset or liabilities and any gain or loss in income. Allocating subsidiary result income OCI and comprehensive income. Consolidation profit or loss and other comprehensive income must be split between equity presentation and disclosure. Required disclosure typically include method of measuring NCI at acquisition, fair value versus proportional share. Financial information for significant subsidiaries, asset, liabilities, revenue, and profit. Reconciliation of NCI movement, acquisition, disposal, share of profit or OCI, and dividend. Intercompany profit elimination practice example when parents sell inventory to subsidiary with unrealized profit at period end. Step 1, identify unrealized include in consolidation. Step 2, elimination profit. Step 3, allocate remaining profit between parent and NCI. complex scenarios, and practical feedback. Protective right versus substantive right. Evaluate whether veto right are protective. Potential measure issues. Consistent valuation of NCI. Disclosure compliance. Provide reconciliation, police and summary. And then key takeaway and next step. Control right consolidation. Choose and disclose NCI measure. Document judgment. Recommended action. Review governance. Document indicator. Confirm consolidation. Policy in accounting. Prepare template for NCI and summaries.